What if I told you there's a way to get back 10 hours of your life every single week, just by never writing another email from scratch again? Sounds like a scam, right? But it's 100% real, and AI makes it stupidly easy. Email used to drain my soul, drafting, deleting, rewriting, just to say, sounds good. But now, AI writes 90% of my emails, and somehow they sound better than me, which is impressive and slightly insulting. In this video, I'll show you the exact tools I used, how to set it up, then how you can literally copy-paste my workflow to save hours every week. This isn't clickbait. It's what your inbox has been begging for. So if you're tired of wasting your day writing emails you don't even want to send, stick around. This video could change how you work, forever. All right, let's talk receipts. I didn't just say I saved 10 hours, I tracked it. Here's exactly how I did it using 3 free AI tools that anyone with an internet connection can use. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. I gave it 1 sentence, and it gave me a professional email so good, I copied and pasted without shame. Zero guilt. Tool number 2, Shortwave, an AI email assistant that literally summarizes long threads and suggests replies. It's like having a superpower for inbox overwhelm. Tool number 3, Gmail plus Zapier plus AI combo. I set up a simple workflow to auto-draft status updates and follow-ups. Total time to build? 15 minutes. Look at this. These replies? Written by AI. This report? Drafted in seconds. I just hit send. And the best part? They sound human, polite. Even smarter than I usually do. No offense to me. But seriously, this stuff works. Here's the part where your jaw drops. The average professional spends 3.1 hours a day on email. That's 15.5 hours a week. Basically, half your week is just typing, just following up. But after using these AI tools for 2 weeks, I cut that number down to under 5 hours total. That's over 10 hours saved. Per week, every week. What would you do with 10 extra hours? Sleep? Start a side hustle? Binge every productivity video ever? Here's the visual. 48 emails responded to. 90% written by AI. 0 all-nighters, 0 stress. And get this. I actually got faster replies using AI-written messages than my own handcrafted ones. Yeah. AI me is apparently more likable than real me. So yeah, this isn't just cool, it's time freedom on autopilot, and we're just getting started. Let's be honest, most of us spend more time staring at emails than actually writing them. You know that ritual, open draft, type 1 sentence, delete it, retype it, question your life choices, then settle for sounds good and call it a day. Here's the truth. You're not writing emails. You're performing emotional labor in Outlook. And don't even get me started on just circling back. That phrase alone should qualify for retirement benefits. But now, I type 5 words into ChatGPT and get an email response that sounds like I had sleep, confidence, and a copywriting degree. AI doesn't procrastinate. It doesn't get imposter syndrome. It just writes fast, efficient, slightly smug. So yeah, maybe you don't need another productivity hack. Maybe you just need to stop pretending you love writing 37 emails a day and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Just saying. All right, now let's get into the good stuff. Here's exactly how you can use AI to cut down your email time by up to 10 hours a week. Copy this setup and thank me later. Step 1. Use ChatGPT like your inbox assistant. Go to ChatGPT. Paste the email and say, summarize and reply to this with a friendly tone. Keep it concise. Boom. You've got a reply in 5 seconds that sounds like you, but caffeinated and emotionally balanced. Pro tip. Save a few reusable prompts like, write a follow-up email after no response. Politely decline a meeting without sounding rude. Pin them, use them, profit. Step 2. Install Shortwave or FlowWrite, now part of Mail Maestro. These tools sit right inside your inbox. They read long threads and instantly suggest replies. Think, AI that actually reads your emails so you don't have to. Yes, you can now reply all with your soul intact. Step 3. Automate recurring emails with Zapier plus Gmail plus AI. Let's say you send weekly updates or reminders. Create a simple automation like trigger, Google Form or Calendar. On Action, auto-draft a summary using OpenAI. Send preview to your inbox, then edit and send. Set it up once, and it runs every week. Welcome to Inbox Cruise Control. You don't need 17 new habits. You need one system that actually saves you time. This is it. Zero fluff, all action. AI isn't just hype. It's your personal assistant that doesn't take coffee breaks. Alright, if that didn't just blow your Inbox Zero mind, you might already be a robot. And honestly, respect. But if you're like the rest of us humans and you're done wasting hours typing "hope you're well" into the void, then it's time to upgrade. Set up these tools. Save your prompts. Buy back your time. And hey, if AI just saved you 10 hours of your life, the least it can do is earn a subscribe, right? Hit subscribe. Hit the bell. Drop a comment with your weirdest email story. And go touch grass, because your inbox? Handled. This is Money AI Secrets, and we don't do busy work here.